Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. I've got a 2010 Kenworth T800 day cab built with an Isx Cummins, 4500 RDS Allison automatic, full lockers, wet kit, and only 200,000 original miles. I've got it hot this afternoon. Going to do a full walk around, show you underneath the hood, and finish up on the inside for you. Let's go ahead and get started. Great little work truck, dual stacks, tank set back, wet kit, half fenders. Be nice to work with this one. Only really blemishes I see, you got some rock pecks, some chips up on the front fender. Round the grill around a little bit. The rest of the body and the paint look good. It's a 2010, so it won't be new, but look better than the front there. Outside aluminums. Really straight overall, tank, steps, frame rails clean, Southern truck. Interior's clean, seats are nice shape. There's your controls to your wet kit. Full lockers. See, it's full operating temp, good low side oil pressure on the Cummins. Smooth through the RPMs. Oil pressure jumps up like it's supposed to. Guys, I appreciate you watching. If you got any questions on this one or anything else, feel free to give me a call, 901-896-4526. You can also email me to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.